Hello friends, welcome to Coding with Bharat. So today I'm going to teach you what is C programming. Okay, C programming. C is a general purpose programming language created by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories in 1972. So the C programming language was introduced by Dennis Ritchie and it was introduced in the year 1972 at the Bell Laboratories. Okay, so C is one of the most popular programming language in the world. Okay, it is the most popular programming language. So if you know C, you will have no problem learning other popular programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, and etc. And C is a very popular language despite being old. And C programming language is very easy to learn. Okay, so C is strongly associated with Unix. So Unix is nothing but an operating system. Okay, so it was developed to write the Unix operating system. So that's all in today's lecture. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.